In Srikakulam district, Arasavilli Suryanarayana temple, built in the 7th century AD, a sort of miracle happens twice every year. When the sun transits from Uttarayana to Dakshinayana and vice versa, the Lord's idol placed deep in the inner sanctum of the temple is touched directly by the early morning sun rays. Near Tirupati, the same phenomena is believed to happen in Gudimallam Parashurameshwara temple for the past 2000 years. In Matrimandir, Puducherry, sunlight reflecting equipment is placed in such a way that the sunlight is directed into the center of the meditation hall. The ritual proposed here is a combination and extension of these ideas. On the terrace above the central hall, a series of mirrors are placed in a contraption that has the ability to turn or rotate in 360 degrees. The whole movement of the rig is computerized. When the required time, say 9:15 am, is input into the system, the rig moves in such a way that the first mirror catches the light from the sun and reflects onto the second one, which in turn directs the light onto the third mirror. The third mirror then makes the subtle adjustments to trace the sunlight along the wall of the statue. And exactly at 9:15 am, the rays touch the feet of Telugu Thalli.